Featured in this episode of Vestil, we've got it. Whether it be a warehouse, fairground, or ballpark, trash is sure to pile up. How can you easily collect and transport waste? Vestil has the perfect solution. The Vestil tilt truck line is perfect for keeping your waste out of sight and out of mind. The tilt truck has a strong one-piece molded polyethylene body with steel-based tip support and a balanced design to allow for simple transporting and dumping by one person. Its frame is coated in a rust-resistant powder for strength and durability. The plastic construction is durable, withstands extreme summer heat, and makes collecting waste easy. Its undercarriage reveals 2 large rubber wheels and 2 swivel casters that allow simple and precise movement. The tapered front makes pouring waste easy and manageable. Vestil tilt trucks are available in several colors and configurations, perfect for any situation. There are 2 main sizes, half cubic yard and 1 cubic yard. Each model has a light, medium, and heavy-duty configuration as well. There's even one with a towing hitch for when payloads are too heavy for manual delivery. Dump waste easily with the ruggedly built-to-last Vestil tilt truck. Vestil, we've got it! Hey, Alec Trine here from Vestil Manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed the video. While you're here, why not subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on these other platforms for updates, videos, and announcements from Vestil. For more information about us and our products, visit Vestil.com. Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it!